Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to sign up on the various affiliate marketing platforms, because this course is all about how to make passive income from affiliate marketing via JVzoo and Warriorplus. So you need to get registered on both of these websites, and to sign up on JVzoo you can go ahead and search in Google JVzoo affiliate sign up, and you'll be able to see this particular link. You can click on it. Also on Warriorplus you can go ahead and type in warriorplus.com/affiliate, and then you click on create an account. Both of these platforms are pretty straightforward, and you can focus on either JVzoo or Warriorplus, because these days offers that are coming out are both being sold via the two platforms, but I prefer to use Warriorplus because of several reasons, and I would like you to also get started with Warriorplus, because I do feel that it's more easier to get your first sale from Warriorplus than making use of JVzoo. So the first task I'm going to give you is that you should sign up on both of these platforms, and then go over to the Q&A section of this course and let me know if you've been able to sign up or not, or if you're having any problem you should let me know so we'll be able to fix them. Thank you so much for watching, and let's proceed to the next video.